We love Hakka to enrich your Taiwan experience. Learn about Hakka language and culture.
每天收听客家风情，学习另一种不同文化，让你生活更有趣。
Hello everyone, it is time for a Hakka lesson of the day. 我是 Joseph Lin。Hello，
你好，大家好，我是 Alice Peng。
你喜不喜欢吃那种 sashimi 生鱼片？
董好啊，
董好哦，很喜欢哦。我也好喜欢 sashimi. It's the best. I can taste it already with soy sauce and wasabi and just melts in your mouth. Let's get back to the lesson right here. The reason I want to talk about this is because in Pingdong County, which is on the southern side of Taiwan, they're very famous for this tuna. In Chinese, it's actually called the black tuna, 也就是我们知道的黑尾鱼啊。我们来谈谈这个黑尾鱼啊，这样怎么讲？还有一些在屏东可以吃到的东西。
好
，OK， 所以尾鱼是什么
？V
好难哦 ，V
错，
但是黑的就是
无色嘛，
无色 V 好难讲，但是好好吃哦。Okay, that's the black tuna as we know from Pingdong again. Let's talk about other things that are associated with sashimi. 就叫生鱼片的 sashimi 怎么讲？
生鱼
片。
生鱼。
哦，对，所以鱼就是就对了。Okay, all right, 生鱼片。Okay, 生鱼片 that's sashimi. With sashimi, you always have to have 芥末 you have to have wasabi.
Wasabi
啊？真的吗？
因为两外来语嘛，所以我们也叫它叫 wasabi。
俺只 say wasabi。
然后还有生鱼片有吗？而且一袋一袋张厚丝。
好像一首歌哦，
怎么唱？
一袋哦，一袋，
没了，
什么东西？
是要叫你切成一片一片才好吃。
Oh, yeah, that's right. You gotta slice up the sashimi into thin slices, and that's what it meant. Okay, 一袋 meaning slices. Oh, okay. And one more thing that I know about that is from Pingdong is a pig knuckles that is from there. It's called 万峦猪脚. The 万峦 pig knuckles are best because they're soft and tender as well.
万峦猪脚。
万峦猪脚，好像在踢足球哦。万峦足球，
没足球啊，你还猪脚。
哦，猪脚就是猪脚 ，That's pig knuckles，OK。
但是我要跟你说的就是，我記得啲屏東，記得唔係用到豬腳，用到豬卡，萬峦豬卡。
萬峦豬卡 ，That's how they pronounce it from Pingdong. But for all the rest of the Hakka, it's 萬峦豬腳. So both meaning the pig knuckles from that area. Called 萬峦 by the way, okay? So there you have it, a lot of food and they sound so delicious. Let's go have some right now, okay? That's it for a Hakka lesson of the day.
什麼泰嘎？
俺只say張來了。
客家風情由行政院客家委員會監製，邀您一起體驗另一種不同的客家文化之美。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Council for Hakka Affairs of the Executive Yuan to enrich your Taiwan experience.